Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn about dividing decimals in the 100th and 10th place value. Decimal number. A decimal number is defined as a combination of the whole number part and the decimal number part, and it is separated by the decimal point. The decimal point is represented by the dot. Example 15.86. The 15 is the whole number part and the 86 is the decimal numbers. And separating the whole number part and the decimal numbers part is the decimal point. Decimal place value. Decimal place value is defined as 10th, 100th, and 1000th. Example, 152.864,000. 1 is in the hundredths place, 5 is in the 10th place, 2 is in the ones place. And then we have the 8, which is in the 10th place, 6 is in the 100th place, and 4 is in the 1000th place. Dividing decimals in the 10th place value. First, we're going to be dividing 5.4 by 0.6. When we're dividing decimals, we have to see if the divisor in the division problem is a natural number. In this division problem, the divisor is not a natural number, so we have to change it to a natural number by multiplying both the dividend and the divisor by 10. So 5.4 divided by 0.6 is equal to 54 divided by 6. 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. Next, we're going to be dividing 0.3 by 0.5, which is equal to 36 divided by 5. When we're dividing 36 by 5, the closest number to 36 that's a multiple of 5 is 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. 36 minus 35 is 1. We put a decimal point in the quotient because we don't have any more numbers to use. Since we put a decimal point in the quotient, we can bring down a 0. So 1 becomes 10. 5 times 2 is 10, so 10 minus 10 is 0. So the answer is 7.2. Dividing decimals in the 100th place value. 2.06 divided by 0.4, which is equal to 20.6 divided by 4. As we told you before, the dividend does not need to be a natural number. It can be a decimal. All that matters is that the divisor is a natural number. So 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So then we bring down the 6. We put a decimal point in the answer. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. We bring down a 0. 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So the answer for this problem is 5.15 hundredths. And lastly, we're going to be dividing 3.54 hundredths by 0.2 tenths, which is equal to 35.4 divided by 2. So since we know 2 times 17 is 34, 35 minus 34 is 1, and then we bring down the 4. 2 times 7 is 14, so 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. So the answer for this problem is 17.7 tenths. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video with your friends and family, or comment in the comment box below, subscribe and click the bell button for Learning Easier on Instagram.